Hi, 6th grade. Here is what we're doing in science today. You're going to go to Unit 1, Scientific Method. We're on Tuesday. We're learning about independent and dependent variables. Today in science class, we're going to do the notes on independent and dependent variable. That's a second video. That's in step 1. Then we're going to practice identifying variables. We're going to do this with our groups. If you miss the group session, you can always do this practice and then check your work using the slides from slide 19 to the end. So the answers will be on here. But don't look at the answers before you do the practice. It's important that you do the practice first, which is step 2. If you do this while we're not in class, the answers are on slides 20 to 24. And then at the very end, we're going to do a Google form check for understanding where you are going to be identifying independent and dependent variables. So let's go back to Tuesday's page. The first thing you're going to do is an EdPuzzle lesson. This is another video that I created. You are going to press play, and it's going to take you through the lesson, and you are going to answer questions, and it'll pause the video for you to answer those questions, and it'll have the answer to those questions after you press play and submit it so you can check your work. If you want to write down the notes, I suggest that you take a piece of paper and you do a T-chart and you do independent variable and dependent variable on one side. You could also just use this slideshow as your notes, and we're going to do a lot of practice as we go ahead with this unit. Then the second step is practice identifying independent and dependent variables. Hopefully we're going to do this in our groups, in our breakout room groups. You're going to open the document by clicking on this link. It'll take you to this worksheet, and what you're going to do is read this. I'm supposed to say her. Whoops. You're going to read the description of the experiment, and in here you're going to type in what the independent variable is and what the dependent variable is. I'm going to give you about 10 minutes in your group to complete this, and then we're going to go over the answers as a whole class. Again, if you do this, sorry, I lost my place. If you do this on your own, if you miss science class or if your Zoom isn't working, those answers are actually on slide 21. What did I say, 20? It's on slide 20 in right here. But we are going to go over those in class. At the very end of class, your synchronous work is going to be to check your understanding using this Google form. You're going to watch the video here, and you're going to type in the independent variable and the dependent variable, and you're going to submit it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email me, or you can ask me during the Zoom science class. All right, see you guys later.